left.
Like, no way! We split up, and that makes us easy pickings!
Smell that, bro?
Me and Beast Boy have changed our minds. We will split up!
Later, yo!
Let's check the owner's office for clues while they investigate the snack shack.
Like, wow! My favorite! A triple-decker sardine, jelly, and tomato sandwich!
Not bad, but checks out my quadruple, triple-decker veggie Sammy!
You think that's a tall sandwich? I can eat a sandwich my own height.
A 6'8" sandwich? Impossible!
Check it.
Oh.